See, the title Fook, it came from the term called Chad Fook in black magic terms, where it's a kind of a certain ritual practiced in trying to drive the so-called evil spirit away. And it's a blow, it's like a force which you're applying to drive something away.
खुदाई करते वक्त वर्कर्स को एक पत्थर मिला सर उस पत्थर का कुछ हिस्सा गणपति भगवान की मूर्ति के आकार के जैसा है सर। तो वर्कर चाहते हैं जहां वो पत्थर मिला है वहां एक छोटा सा मंदिर बनाया जाए सर।
वर्कर से कहो जिसको भी चाहिए उस पत्थर को अपने घर ले जा सकते हैं।
मैं और रामू जी डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि कौन सी फिल्म बनानी है। 2-3 आइडिया के बारे में बातचीत करने के बाद में हमने फूक की आइडिया पे लॉक किया।
आइडिया ऑफ मेकिंग folk, or the basic inspiration of it, I would think it's comes from a very early novel written by one Mr. Yandamuri Veerananath called Tulsidalam in Telugu. I think to my knowledge that's about the only subject which ever novel is written on a subject of black magic. It had very interesting thoughts, I mean, in terms of questions in it of what we know or don't know about black magic. Now what I added to that is in terms of when there are different point of views, like one person believes, some other person doesn't believe, one person is an opportunist. If he thinks things are going wrong, he'll believe things are going right, he won't believe. So I think it has various prototypes. So on the same subject matter, which is inexplicable, the fact that different human beings can have different perspectives and different degrees of them being affected. So it just gives you an interesting insight into the content from various perspectives.
एक दिन मैं और रामू सर बैठे हुए थे एंड उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि लेट्स डू समथिंग टू स्केयर पीपल. सो आई सेड कि यू वांट टू डेल्व इनटू हॉरर अगेन. सो ही सेड कि मुझे पक्का पता नहीं है, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर, बट द आइडिया इज लेट्स स्केयर पीपल. That is how it started. And one day while I was working, he messaged me and he said ki what is the structure you're working on. So I messaged back saying this is broadly the structure I'm working on. And then he messaged me back saying, what if we add a bit of black magic to this?
A lot of people keep using the word black magic in so many connotations, you know, when something you don't understand about a man's behavior, a person's behavior, or you cannot logically explain a certain happening. A lot of times you hear these people saying it's black magic, somebody's done black magic. You know, they might say, mention it like a joke, meaning it very seriously, but I think it's a term predominantly used when you can't explain on a rational level. So the fact that there are people who claim that it happened to them or it happened to someone they know, and somewhere it is in the subconscious of quite a few people, irrespective of their education and social status.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है डॉक्टर?
क्या मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आप लोगों को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा कि उस लड़की पर भूत सवार हुआ है?
आप इन अंधविश्वासों में मत पड़िए.
मेरा ये कहना है कि उसकी वजह रक्षा पर चढ़ा हुआ भूत है.
हाँ, भूत है.
जहाँ तक मेरा और रामू जी दोनों का ख्याल था कि इस सब्जेक्ट पे सही तरीके से अभी तक फिल्म बनी नहीं और सब्जेक्ट भी इंटरनेशनल है.
See, I think the story of Fook, in one word, if I have to describe it, it is about an atheist. It's about a confirmed atheist, and was very good at heart, absolutely doing correct things and everything, and having a very happy family life. And due to a certain incident, which triggered off by a certain incident, certain occurrences start happening in his family, in his house, which he tries to get an explanation through what he believes in, like science and medicine and various kinds of things. And when they fail to give him a satisfactory reason or a solution for that matter, how slowly his convictions start weakening and getting diluted. In the course of that, what happens to him and his family is probably the one-line story.